looks like unless you have a will to get it done and you build in capacity in terms of correct business model, correct people skills, correct information systems, and so on, you don't get the puzzle correct. So it's not correct to say that it's not profitable. You just don't know how to do it right. So therefore, so long as there is a compulsion, appropriately applied, and so long as there are the right incentives, there's no reason why this shouldn't work. And I think we also heard some suggestions in seeing how can the regime change in terms of including new sectors or segments of economy which lie in priority with our current status of economic development, be they infrastructure, be they getting exports, be they whatever you have, or SME or what have you. So if you have a changing regime that reflects the needs of the economy, that's the way to go about it. Fourth, we also look at technology and other means that add to the business model. So having all of this wealth of insights coming in, what I'd like the audience to ask is refrain from giving a commentary or extended comments. I'd like what we heard of, that other participants in the financial sector like NBFCs are willing to participate. When you have from the knowledge and skill side, there's enough evidence to suggest that capabilities can be built and information networks can bridge that last mile. I think it makes for a collective recipe to get the story going. So I don't see anything wrong in it.